Hello, this is Wes Fryer. Today is January the 8th, 2025. I'm going to want to show you and document for myself how I am using AI with ChatGPT to create a syllabus for my middle school, in this case, web design class, actually using a Canvas course that I have taught before, and then a syllabus that I've already written. And it's going to put this information together and format it, and it's going to save me a lot of time. I'm not doing this like just to say, hey, make this up. I'm actually saying use this syllabus I've written in this format, use this Canvas course and all this data, and then go ahead and write my custom syllabus. And I'm going to use this as a rough draft to then edit and make my final syllabus. So let's go ahead and jump on over to the web. I'm going to also copy the description for this course because I want to let my AI conversation have that information as well. And so what I've already typed here into ChatGPT in a new conversation is, I would like you to help me write and format a course syllabus for middle school web design class. Please prompt me to first upload the entire exported Canvas course from last semester, then prompt me to upload a sample syllabus for another course, which you can use as a model for writing and drafting this one. And ChatGPT came back and said, "Pardon me, got it. To begin, please upload the entire Canvas course from last semester. This will give me all the materials, assignments, and structure you used previously. Once that's uploaded, I'll ask for a sample syllabus from another course to use as a model." Okay, isn't that sweet? So here we go. So I'm going to say attach files, upload from computer, and I'm going to go to my desktop, and I'm going to say that I want to get my exported Canvas course, which here it is. Okay, and it's a zip file, so it's going to put it in here. I'm going to go ahead and say, here is the exported Canvas course. Also, here is the course description, which I want included. So a little bit, which I want this included also. Okay. So now it should prompt me for the sample syllabus. Okay, and I could talk, say what it is, or it's asked me for it. So I'm just gonna give it to it. Here is my computer apps syllabus. And now I'm going to go ahead and send it. Now it has all the information that it should need. And what it's going to do is it's going to probably flip over into this Canvas mode, not to be confused with the learning management system Canvas, but this is sort of like a Google Doc. It's an interactive web document that ChatGPT has. And I think a few months ago, they switched over to this section or to this format. It's kind of cool because in addition to giving it instructions, and over here on the side, I'll see this chat, what it's done. I can also just type directly onto this, this document. So I can go ahead and read through this, see if I'm liking this. And I love it. It is getting the main sections that I had from that Canvas course, and it's put them right in here into modules. And it's got the goals just like I want. It's got my grading system, technology requirements. Now this is a little bit different because we are going to be using Mac OS based laptop computers, and our classroom is a little bit different. So I'll fix that. Again, this is just drafting, but isn't it sweet to get to, start with this draft? So we've got our class policies, parental involvement, our digital tools. Oh, good. There we go. That's great. I think I probably want to say, in addition to Google Sites, Google Docs, slides, sheets, forms, maps, etc. All right, got peer review, academic integrity. This looks great. Okay, so what I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to just copy all this text. I'm going to hold down the Shift key, select all of it. I'm going to type doc.new so that I can go ahead and get a new document. And I'm going to paste that in. And now I've got my syllabus. Okay, so that's it. That's the way that I have been using AI and my existing course from last semester in Canvas, as well as an existing syllabus, to create a new syllabus. And now I'm ready to, save that as a PDF, put that into my Canvas course, and I'm ready to go. I'm also going to do a little video because now that I've created that syllabus, I can use that PDF file within Kahoot, which is a game-based program that will quiz students and do it in a game-based format. And we can do that with AI using that document. So that's another video. Thanks for watching. Please let me know what you think. And I hope you're able to use this and that assists you in your own creation of course syllabi.